Tips and Tricks by Aira, Luigi, and Althea.
At para malaman ninyo kung paano kayo mananalo ng Gcash prizes, keep watching this video. Abangan nyo mamaya guys yung mechanics ipa-flash namin at the end of this video.
Hello mga kabikolanang maestra, magandang araw sa inyong lahat at sa ating mga estudyanteng love na love natin kahit 24/7 ang kukulit. Okay, for today's video, pag-uusapan natin at matutunghayan ninyo ang mga tips kung paano ninyo mas mapapa-improve ang inyong presentation or ang mga assigned reports using your ICT skills.
Hello to my fellow students. Let us share you some aral tips na talaga namang makakatulong sa ating mga students. At dahil tayo ay nasa digital age na, kailangan gumamit na tayo ng high technology. Alam nyo ba na pwede na tayong gumamit ng iba't ibang apps sa pag-create ng presentation at report? Pwede natin gamitin ang Canva, PowerPoint at Google Slides. At dahil sa aming classroom ay may smart TV, laking tipid na sa kartolina, manila paper at markers. Talagang napaka-convenient. At kapag ready na ang nagawang content, ipepresent na ito sa pamamagitan ng method na tinatawag na screencasting.
By this time, nagawa na namin ang aming report. Ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang method kung paano ito i-connect ang cellphone sa smart TV. Ito ay ang tinatawag na screencast. Paano nga ba ito? Una, pindutin ang down button sa inyong remote at hanapin ang time link. I-press ang enter at ngayon, gusto ko ma'am. At ngayon, pumunta kayo sa setting ng inyong cellphone. Hanapin ang connection and sharing. Hanapin ang CAS at i-on ito. Sa pamamagitan ng screencasting, mas napapadali ang mga ginagawang report at mababawasan ang mga kailangang materyales upang gawin ito. Classmates, sa tingin ninyo, mas okay ba itong method na ito kaysa sa paggamit ng cartolina o manila paper?
Okay. Yes.
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 Yes, I do.
Noah.
Yes.
And yes, those are the helpful aral tips na shinare sa atin nila Aira, Althea, and ni Luigi. And those are the students from the grade 9 STE class. Ayan. So, mga kabikolanang maestra, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe po, Bikolanang Maestra. Ayan, thank you for watching!
Hello ulit guys! Now, here's the mechanics and how you can win Gcash prizes. At syempre, first up, to qualify, make sure po to like and subscribe to Bikolanang Maestra YouTube channel and share this to your FB account. And please do not forget to take a screenshot once you have liked and subscribed to our Bikolanang Maestra YouTube account.
For the number 2 of our mechanics, Only one answer is allowed. Chat us your answer together with your screenshot and proof of subscribing and liking our YouTube channel. Send it to our FB page at Picolanang Maestra.
We will pick 2 lucky winners from the raffle, and you will be notified immediately once you are selected. Now get ready to answer this brain teaser. Good luck!
Once again, do not forget to send us your answer together with a screenshot of your proof of liking, subscribing our YouTube channel.